Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Lingual Lens English. I'm Emma, and today we're learning 50 useful English sentences for daily life. Let's get started. Today's episode is a big one. 50 real sentences. Sentences you can use tomorrow, at home, at work, at the store, on the phone, anywhere. We will practice together the same way as always. I say a sentence, then I pause, and you repeat it out loud. This is called shadowing. It trains your mouth, your ears, and your memory all at once. Don't worry about your accent. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Speak loud. Speak clear. You're already doing the most important thing, which is showing up and trying. Let's begin with morning routines. Number 1, I need to wake up early tomorrow. Repeat after me. I need to wake up early tomorrow. Number 2, let's grab a coffee. Your turn. Let's grab a coffee. Number 3, I'm running a little late. Say it with me. I'm running a little late. Number 4, I slept really well last night. Repeat, please. I slept really well last night. Number 5, I need to leave in 10 minutes. One more time, with me. I need to leave in 10 minutes. Great job! 5 sentences down, 45 to go. You're doing wonderfully. Now let's talk about work. Number 6, can I get back to you on that? Repeat it now, slowly. Can I get back to you on that? Number 7, I'll send you an email right away. Say it with me. I'll send you an email right away. Number 8, sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Your turn, out loud. Sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Number 9, let's schedule a meeting for next week. Repeat, please. Let's schedule a meeting for next week. Number 10, I'm still working on it. One more time. I'm still working on it. Excellent! That's 10 sentences already. Take a deep breath. You're building real confidence one sentence at a time. Let's move to shopping. Number 11. Do you have this in a different size? Repeat after me. Do you have this in a different size? Number 12. I'm just looking, thanks. Your turn. I'm just looking, thanks. Number 13. Can I pay by card? Say it with me. Can I pay by card? Number 14. Is this on sale? Repeat, please. Is this on sale? Number 15. Can I get a receipt, please? One more time. Can I get a receipt, please? Wonderful work. 15 sentences now. You should be really proud of yourself right now. Let's talk about feelings. English speakers talk about feelings in simple, everyday ways. Number 16. I'm a bit tired today. Repeat after me. I'm a bit tired today. Number 17. That sounds like a great idea. Your turn. That sounds like a great idea. Number 18. I really appreciate your help. Say it with me. I really appreciate your help. Number 19. I'm a little nervous about this. Repeat, please. I'm a little nervous about this. Number 20. I'm so happy for you. One more time, warmly. I'm so happy for you. 20 sentences. That's amazing. You're halfway to 50 already. Now, phone calls. These can feel scary, but with practice, they get much easier. Number 21. Could you speak a little slower, please? Repeat after me. Could you speak a little slower, please? Number 22. Can I call you back in 5 minutes? Your turn. Can I call you back in 5 minutes? Number 23. Thanks for calling. Have a nice day. Say it with me. Thanks for calling. Have a nice day. Number 24. Sorry, you have the wrong number. Repeat, please. Sorry, you have the wrong number. 25. Can you hold on for a second? One more time. Can you hold on for a second? 25 sentences. Halfway there. Keep going. You're doing so well. Let's practice travel English now. Number 26. Where is the nearest bus stop? Repeat after me. Where is the nearest bus stop? Number 27. How much does this cost? Your turn. How much does this cost? Number 28. Excuse me, can you help me, please? Say it with me. Excuse me, can you help me, please? Number 29. Is this seat taken? Repeat, please. Is this seat taken? Number 30. Which way is the train station? One more time. Which way is the train station? 30 sentences. You are really committed today, and it shows. Now let's learn restaurant English. Very useful wherever you travel or live. Number 31. Could I see the menu, please? Repeat after me. Could I see the menu, please? Number 32. I'd like the same as her. Your turn. I'd like the same as her. Number 33. Could we get the bill, please? Say it with me. Could we get the bill, please? Number 34. This is delicious, thank you. Repeat, please. This is delicious, thank you. Number 35. Do you have any vegetarian options? One more time. Do you have any vegetarian options? 35 sentences. Take a breath here. You're doing beautifully, truly. Let's practice making plans with friends. Number 36. Are you free this weekend? Repeat after me. Are you free this weekend? Number 37. Let's catch up soon. Your turn. Let's catch up soon. Number 38. What time works for you? Say it with me. What time works for you? Number 39. I'll text you the details. Repeat, please. I'll text you the details. Number 40. Sounds good. See you then. One more time. Sounds good. See you then. 40 sentences. Only 10 left. You're almost there, and you're doing amazing. Let's learn sentences for asking for help. Number 41. I'm not sure how this works. Repeat after me. I'm not sure how this works. Number 42. Could you show me how to do this? Your turn. Could you show me how to do this? Number 43. I think I made a mistake. Say it with me. I think I made a mistake. Number 44. Would you mind helping me for a second? Repeat, please. Would you mind helping me for a second? Number 45. Thanks. That makes sense now. One more time. Thanks. That makes sense now. 45 sentences. Just 5 more. Stay with me. We're almost at the finish line. And finally, let's learn small talk and saying goodbye. Number 46. It's nice to meet you. Repeat after me. It's nice to meet you. Number 47. How's it going? Your turn. How's it going? Number 48. Take care of yourself. Say it with me. Take care of yourself. Number 49. It was great talking to you. Repeat, please. It was great talking to you. Number 50, see you next time. One more time with a smile. See you next time. That's it. 50 sentences. All 50. I'm so proud of you right now. I really mean it. Let's do a quick, fast review. I'll say them, you repeat, quickly, like a rhythm. Ready? I need to wake up early tomorrow. Let's grab a coffee. I'm running a little late. I slept really well last night. I need to leave in 10 minutes. Can I get back to you on that? I'll send you an email right away. Sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Let's schedule a meeting for next week. I'm still working on it. Do you have this in a different size? I'm just looking, thanks. Can I pay by card? Is this on sale? Can I get a receipt, please? I'm a bit tired today. That sounds like a great idea. I really appreciate your help. I'm a little nervous about this. I'm so happy for you. Could you speak a little slower, please? Can I call you back in 5 minutes? Thanks for calling. Have a nice day. Sorry, you have the wrong number. Can you hold on for a second? Where is the nearest bus stop? How much does this cost? Excuse me, can you help me, please? Is this seat taken? Which way is the train station? Could I see the menu, please? I'd like the same as her. Could we get the bill, please? This is delicious, thank you. Do you have any vegetarian options? Are you free this weekend? Let's catch up soon. What time works for you? I'll text you the details. Sounds good. See you then. I'm not sure how this works. Could you show me how to do this? I think I made a mistake. Would you mind helping me for a second? Thanks, that makes sense now. It's nice to meet you. How's it going? Take care of yourself. It was great talking to you. See you next time. You just practiced 50 real English sentences. That is a huge achievement, and I hope you feel proud, because you should. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I'm really proud of you. Keep speaking, keep listening, and I'll see you in the next episode of Lingual Lens English. Bye for now.